Now look at my Phantom wallet, bro. I've made all this money in the past year from creating coins. Now look, I am not here to waste your time or to sell you a stupid course. I'm here to show you how I create coins from start to finish, A to Z. Everything will be done and shown in this video for completely free, so keep watching. You guys need to stop trading meme coins and start creating them instead. It's untapped and a lot of people are sleeping on deving. Here's exactly why it's way better than trading. Because if you are a trader, I'm pretty sure that you are currently losing a bunch of money. 98% of all meme coins just pump and dump. It's the same exact story over and over again, just like this chart right here. Most coins pump, right, and then it just goes to zero, and the dev profits thousands of dollars. So that's why I hate trading and I started launching the coins instead. Now I am a dev and I just launch coins using $0. I wait for buyers and then I just cash out, and I repeat that on every single launch. Okay, it's repeatable and you have nothing to lose. It costs nothing to create a coin. That's why it's so profitable compared to trading. Now I will show you exactly how to create a coin that actually goes viral in this video for completely free. So keep watching, stay tuned, let's get straight into the guide. And by the way, bro, I am not a financial advisor. I do not condone any financial advice given in this video, guys. It's all for educational purposes only, so do your own research. Cap! Now look, you guys need to stay away from Pump.Fun. Stop launching here. Here's exactly why. Most meme coins, okay, that are launched on Pump.Fun go absolutely nowhere. If you have already launched a coin on Pump.Fun, you already know by now. Most coins on here go nowhere. No one sees them, no one buys them. It's just because it's over competitive, and that's why I do not waste my time launching here. And instead, I have a different strategy. I make my coins on Raydium. By launching our coins on Raydium, they are going to reach thousands of people, thousands of unique traders, and most people actually trust Radium coins more than Pump.Fun coins just because they have a better reputation. Like, look at these coins on Radium. They actually get volume, they get buyers, and that's why I love launching here. You guys will see later on when I launch a coin on Radium. It's insanely profitable. Now, to launch a coin here, you guys need to be using a launchpad called Meme.Dev.io. It's the best launchpad for Radium. When you make a meme coin here, it will go immediately to Radium, reaching a bunch of people. That's why I make my coins here. Now here's exactly how to create a meme coin on Meme.Dev.io. You can either create a coin, right? Just invent a name, symbol, and image for your custom narrative, and your coin can actually be custom made and live, or you can actually copy trending coins. Now look, I've made all my money from copying coins. I'm not even capping. I've literally made all my money from copying coins. Every single meme coin here is going viral on Pump.Fun. They're all getting a bunch of traction and a bunch of volume. Basically, they're all going viral, right? And we are just going to be copying one coin here back to Radium and use that narrative to make money. You guys will see right now with a live dev example. So first of all, bro, connect your Phantom wallet, right? And let's launch a coin by copying one. I don't care about the narrative. I just go for anything. I'm gonna go for this one, right? The boo boo. Click on copy the Radium. Ignore your Phantom wallet. Ignore the warning. This is completely normal. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be copied, right? Shortly, just wait. And boom, now let's create the liquidity pool. Now look, for the amount of coins right here, click on 90%. This will drop 900 million coins into the pool, something around there, 90%. Do that for all your launches. For the amount of SOTA pair, put anywhere in between zero point 0.3 to 1 SO. Around that number is perfect in my opinion. You are not going to lose anything. If you want this soul back, you can, bro. It's mandatory because you need supply like that. You can make money as a dev. So just put zero point 0.3 to 1 soul. Okay. Click on create pool. Your phantom will show up. Ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then now the coin will be actually live. Once again, bro, you will not lose anything. You will get it back at the end. Boom. Click on refresh, and as you guys can see, it's live. People can now buy your coin, see it, and everything. So let's go see the chart. Okay, it should be live. Um, I use Photon. Go on any trading platform, and as you guys can see, it's live and it's already pumping. As you guys can see, this is exactly what I mean, bro. It's insane. 15k market cap. Let's go see how much we're up. Click on refresh, and we're up 250 bucks already within seconds of the launch. That means people love our narrative. And guys, you guys see the potential of deving. Within 5 seconds, we're already up 250 bucks. Like, just that alone should be enough proof to start creating coins. Anyways, when I come back, I will show you how to cash out. So be right back. Alright guys, I am back and let's cash this out. As you guys can see, our coin is up a lot. So let's try to make some money, bro. Well, let's cash our money out. So come back at memedev.io and let's see how much we're up. Okay, we're up $2,800. That's insane. Let's cash out. Click on the minus button. Do 100%. Remove liquidity. Your phantom will show up. Ignore the block. Click on proceed. Confirm checkbox. Confirm. And then we should be fully out of the meme coin. Bang! We just cashed out. Now look, if you open your phantom wallet, boom! Our profits are in here. 36 Solana, all made from this one coin. Memedev.io will be linked down below, bro. Just stay consistent, bro. Like, dude. Deving meme coins is so fucking easy. Anyways, stay consistent and peace out.